Hi, my name is Dairon, and this is going to be the user guide for EnvoScholar 3.0. So, the first thing you see when you go to the home page for EnvoScholar is going to be the search page right here. You can search for something about the environment. For example, let's search trees. And then here you'll be greeted with 10 results, which are related to the query you looked for. You will see different filters that you can apply. So if you want to see what the most recent article for trees are, it'll give you the most recent in the database. If you want to specify a certain date range for an article you're searching, you can say 2010 to 2015 and then apply it, and the articles will all be in that date range. You see 2015, 2015, 2014, and also sorted by most recent still. So you can see you combine the filters to improve your search. From here, you can, of course, go to the next page and then come back, pagination. But you can also decide to click on the article and view the abstract of it. And then you can also view the PDF, which takes you to the page where the article is. And then you can cite it, share it, mark it as relevant. Now, what marking as relevant does is if the article was a good result for the query that you searched, it'll actually store this information for the developers to know that the result was a good one. And a similar article is just going to give you articles that are similar to this one. So if you want to do further research. Now, how does the save one work? The save one actually requires you to be signed in. So like some of the features require you to be signed in. So if, for example, you don't have an account, you go to sign up, you put your information. Then once you put it, you can go to sign in and then sign in. And then from here, a regular user will have three options. They'll have edit profile, saved articles, and history. If you go to edit profile, you'll see the page. You'll see the ability to edit different information that you have stored in the website. So you have, for example, my name. Oops, actually misspelled. So my name, my email, my password, and new password. Right. So then, if I go to saved articles, it's going to be the articles that I have saved. So let's go ahead and search for dogs. Let's save this accumulation article right here. Now, if I go to my saved articles, accumulation is right there. So if I see an article I like, I want to look at it later, I could save it, or anything. If you're trying to make a citation for it, you can come here and you can also cite it. Now, of course, you can unsave articles, which will remove it from your database. You can look at your history. So if you clicked on something and you didn't save it, but you want to still get it, you want to still have access to it, you can go to history, and it'll be all the articles that you clicked on. So those are the options that a regular user would have. But if the user is a developer, which can only be made here if somebody makes you a developer, then you'll have this option to view this page. So from here, you can make somebody else a developer if you have their email and they're already signed up. You can view the bar chart for the information, or you can go ahead and see the specific data on the developer stats that are being aggregated. So that's going to be it for profile. Now, another big implementation for the site was the Ontology page. It's a way of visualizing how the results are being generated. So, for example, each word is related to one another, and then here you can see the ontology for it. There's going to be a tree view of the ontology. For example, entity is related to continuant and occurrent, and then you can view a visualization for it in a node graph. So the node graph allows you to expand the words, and then once expanded, you can actually expand the new ones. You could zoom out, zoom in. You can search for a specific word here. Like, let's go ahead and search flood, and it'll actually just populate the word once you click it. Oh, it's already there. Let's try another one. Let's try see, I just added a new one, and it actually gets popped in right there. Let's try adding it, like a one that's not there. See, it just pops a new one. And of course, you can expand this one too, and then you'll see it. And it automatically zooms out when you click it. If it has a plus sign, it means it should be able to expand. If it doesn't, it's already maxed out. So I think it's going to be it for the EnvoScholar website. This has been the user guide. Thank you so much for watching.